Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to express one of my recent success with one particular highly speculative stocks UPL. And recently, we took this UPL 720 call option. I recommended this stock for my Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine paid subscribers. On the 10th of this month, I took this stock for recommendation at the price of 6 rupees. So UPL 720 call option, the entry price is 6 rupees. It has a lot size 1300. So now you can imagine how much the investment is needed for this particular stock. So just multiply by the lot size by the premium. So 1300 multiplied by 6 will be comes around, if I am right, this will be 7800. So 7800 is the investment for one lot in this stock. On 14th of this month, this premium 6 rupees has grown to 60 rupees. So just imagine it's a 10 times growth. The premium 6 rupees has grown to 60 rupees on 14th within a span of 4 days. So within a span of 4 days, the money has grown into 10 times. So what I am coming to say, the investment 7,500, let us say 7.8k, has becomes 78,000 rupees within a span of 4 days. So investment 7.8k has become 78k. So this is the highlight of this particular stock. This UPL is a highly speculative stock related to agriculture and fertilizer stock. So I used to trade this stock monthly twice in every month option trading. Monthly twice, this will give a jackpot profit both in the positive direction and negative direction. Positive direction I used to take call, and negative direction we used to take put. So with reference to this particular stock UPL 720 call option, what we can conclude that the market is volatile, the Nifty is volatile, Bank Nifty is volatile, the entire market is volatile. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's not making range bound also. But there are some stocks which will give highly super profit, like jackpot profit. So this is one particular script which gave a jackpot profit to me as well as my fellow subscribers of Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. So if at all you want to make super profits in option trading with little bit money, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. Apart from this, we give another plan, super fans. It is known as super fans with respect to my another channel, Bull Street. So Superfan is a platform. Superfan is a WhatsApp group. In Superfans, what we do, we give penny level option trading tips. What I mean penny level option trading, the premiums will be about 10 by 5 paise, 10 paise, 15 paise, like that, up to 90 paise. We give stock recommendation with the entry exit prices. Most of the stocks reaching the target on the same day, or it may reach the target within 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it gives massive profit also. So this is one particular trading tips, penny level option trading tips. And along with the penny level option trading tips, we give low priced option trading tips. What is low priced option trading tips? It's nothing but say a meager amount like 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees is enough to take a trading in option trading. Such kind of low priced option trading tips is also being given in this WhatsApp Superfans WhatsApp group. Along with this, I used to give some stock which are known as the penny stocks in equity, meant for long term wealth making. So what is long term wealth making? It's nothing but just to buy and accumulate this stock, buy and hold, stay invested with this stock. In few years, these stocks may grow in a huge way, say like 100 times growth. Such kind of stocks are even now available in equity. We used to pick up such kind of stocks, and we used to give this kind of stocks recommendation once in a while in the Superfans group, WhatsApp group. And another category, highly speculative stocks in equity, we used to share highly speculative stocks in equity once in a while in this Superfans group. The subscription for joining Superfans is 7,999, 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by Google Pay or Phone Pay to this WhatsApp number. I give my WhatsApp number in the comment box as well as description. So if at all you want to join Superfans, you can make use of this with a little bit of little capital. You can aim to make huge money. So that is the speciality of the super fans Bull Street. So please watch this channel regularly. Give your support to this channel. Let us grow together. Let us all grow together. Thank you very much and Vijay.